Hello fellow YouTubers, my name is David and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I will be posting videos that are both interesting and educational. At least that's what I'm hoping for. My background is computer technology. My current professional day job, as they say, the one that pays my mortgage, at least for now, is computer security. In particular, I am a computer security compliance person. If you're interested, currently focused on the NERC SIP standards. A bit of a mouthful, but it represents those standards that were established against the power utilities. Protect the power grid and power generation as a whole against possible threats to their computer security. If there are any particular types of topics that you would be interested in me covering, please post that in the comments to this video. The videos I'll be posting actually will be driven from many of the hobbies that I have. And I have many. Computer technology is just one of them. I am a professional engineer, and I recently reactivated my hobby in electronics and computer design. You will probably see videos here that relate to field programmable gate array units, design units that is, and you will also see videos in terms of the test equipment that I've created and purchased that will help me design the videos that I'm looking to show the world. Some of the projects I will begin with in my various YouTube videos will start with an actual salvaging of parts from an old computer build that I did more than 20 years ago and have enhanced since. I will follow that particular video with one describing my network shelf, where I have my routers, my switches, my temperature control devices, NAS devices, and other equipment that supports my office environment at home. This will be followed by a video where I actually upgrade my previous engineering workstation. This particular pre-built HP Pentium system served me well. However, its limitations came through and I had to replace it. During my professional engineering study sessions, where it allows me to do breadboarding and other advanced projects, including some of my FPGA work, field programmable gate array work, which I hope you will find interesting when I do present it to all the YouTubers that are watching. This particular box took me quite a bit of effort and included skill sets not only in electronics but also in terms of some woodworking skills, which is one of the hobbies I am proud of as well. I'll follow this up with an actual detailed description of the FPGA design board from Intel, the DE10 device, which allows you, it's actually an all-in-one computer. It has everything that's needed, including an ARM processor. Thank you for spending the time to view my channel, and hopefully you will be able to find videos that I posted here that will help you enjoy some hobbies or just find interesting in general.